7 of the world's most dangerous festivals. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore 7 of the world's most dangerous festivals. From fistfights on Christmas Day in Peru to rocket wars in Greece, these events offer a thrilling, heart-pounding experience. Hold tight as we take you on a roller coaster through extreme celebrations that defy convention and embrace danger. Peru, Christmas Fighting Festival. The first festival on our list is the Takanakui Festival in Peru. This festival is celebrated on Christmas Day, and it involves people settling their disputes and grievances by challenging each other to fistfights. The fights are held in makeshift rings, and spectators gather to watch. The fighters and spectators wear costumes based on local folklore, and the referees carry whips to keep the fights from getting out of hand. Greece, Rouketopolemos, Rocket War. The next festival is the Rouketopolemos Festival in Greece. This festival is celebrated on Easter, and it involves 2 rival churches firing rockets at each other. The rockets are made of gunpowder and paper, and they can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The festival is a lot of fun to watch, but it can also be dangerous. There have been cases of people being injured or killed by the rockets. Spain, baby jumping. The third festival on our list is the Baby Jumping Festival in Spain. This festival is celebrated in the village of Castrillo de Murcia, and it involves actors dressed as devils jumping over infants who are laid out on mattresses in the street. The ritual is supposed to dispel the children's original sin. The festival has been criticized by the Catholic Church, but it continues to be celebrated by the villagers. England, cheese rolling. The fourth festival on our list is the Cheese Rolling Festival in England. This festival is celebrated in the village of Cooper's Hill, and it involves a wheel of cheese being rolled down a hill. The people who chase after the cheese try to catch it. The problem is that the hill is very steep, and most people fall down while chasing the cheese. There have been cases of people being seriously injured at the festival. Italy, Fruit Battle. The fifth festival on our list is the Fruit Battle in Italy. This festival is celebrated in the town of Ivrea, and it involves people throwing oranges at each other. The battle is supposed to reenact a medieval uprising in which the town overthrew a tyrant. The oranges are thrown from a horse-drawn cart, and the people on the ground try to catch them. Spain, Running of the Bulls. The sixth festival on our list is the Running of the Bulls in Spain. This festival is celebrated in the city of Pamplona, and it involves people running in front of a herd of bulls. The people who run in front of the bulls are trying to outrun them. The festival is a lot of fun to watch, but it can also be very dangerous. Japan, Extreme Log Ride. The seventh and final festival on our list is the Onbushira Festival in Japan. This festival is celebrated in the Lake Suwa region, and it involves people riding logs down a steep hill. The logs are about 20 meters long and they weigh about 12 tons. The people who ride the logs are trying to prove their bravery. The festival is very dangerous, and there have been cases of people being killed. So, those are the 7 most dangerous festivals around the world. These festivals are not for everyone. If you're thinking about attending one of these festivals, be sure to do your research and take all the necessary precautions.